Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the Mac OS toolchain. Open Terminal and run xcode select install to get Clang tools. Once that finishes, optionally install Homebrew and run brew install GCC if you prefer G++. Next, download and launch Visual Studio Code and create a dedicated folder for your C++ project. Make sure you save an initial file as main. CPP. These first actions give you a compiler, editor, and workspace so you can move to configuration without wasting time on vague setup steps. Once done with installation, open VS Code and install the C/C++ extension. This provides IntelliSense, debugging, and configuration. Create a vscode folder and define C CPP properties. JSON with compiler path set to /usr/bin/clang++ or /usr/local/bin/g++, plus include path entries. Then add a tasks. JSON build task that compiles main CPP to an executable and a launch. JSON entry to run and now build and run your program. Use Ctrl+Shift+B or the tasks menu to compile, then run the resulting executable in the integrated terminal. For debugging, set breakpoints and start the debug session from the run view. Step in, step over, and inspect variables. If something breaks, first check which compiler is active using which Clang++ or which G++. If missing, reinstall command line tools and restart VS Code. Finally, make sure your path and compiler path match so IntelliSense and debugging work reliably.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.